An historic milestone in the nation's exports, seen as the pillar of the South Korean economy. Today, Seoul reached $600 billion in annual outbound shipments. Hyesung has the full story.
South Korea's annual exports have surpassed $600 billion for the first time. The Trade Ministry says as of 11:12 a.m. Friday, Korea's annual exports topped the $600 billion mark 7 years after the country achieved $500 billion of annual exports back in 2011. This makes Korea the 7th country in the world after the U.S., Germany, China, Japan, the Netherlands, and France to have topped $600 billion in annual exports. Korea's exports also accounted for a record 3.4% of global exports this year, ranking 6th in the world. Between 1948 and 2017, Korea's exports have grown by an average of 16% per year, or a 30,000-fold growth in total. The Trade Ministry said in 2018, Korea's semiconductor, machinery, and petrochemical goods exports and consumer goods like cosmetics and medicine contributed significantly to boosting exports. Semiconductor exports alone passed the $100 billion mark as a single export good as of October this year. But amid an ongoing trade spat between Korea's top two trading partners, the U.S. and China, and slower global growth, the Trade Ministry vowed to further diversify its exports and target export markets like ASEAN countries, India, and Russia to top $600 billion of exports again next year. 김혜성, 아리랑 뉴스.